What would a Jamaican do if them come home hungry and find out somebody eat the food them saving at the fridge? No, not leftovers, not random food, the food them specifically saved, the food them spend all day thinking about. You know the situation. You're at work, you're hungry, you already decide what you eat when you reach home. All day, you tell yourself, me can't wait for reach home. Then you open the fridge and the container, it empty. But watch a Jamaican carefully. Most Jamaicans not shout immediately. Them start investigating. Who eat it? Who see who eat it? How long ago it disappear? And somehow the person who eat it always have one explanation. Oh, me never know for you. Never know. The food will package up neat. The food will name almost right on it. The food will everybody know you save. At that point, the hunger and the betrayal combine together. And now the whole house feel it. Someone want to know, what would a Jamaican do in a year house if somebody eat the food them save? I saw it go? You tell me. Big up yourself.